Anyway, we'll be starting in 2 to 3 more minutes. And today I will not be using Google Anti-Gravity. I'll be using Cursor. It is same as the Anti-Gravity. My Anti-Gravity, the paid one, just got ended. And I still haven't gotten any payment from any of my clients, so I can't buy the next model. So till then, I'll be using the Cursor. Yeah. I'll just run the project implement that. And okay, first of all, tell me, whoever from you guys, Joyce and John and Yusuke, whoever of you guys installed anti gravity yesterday and tried it. I would appreciate if you guys can turn your mics on.
I think most of them already have anti-gravity installed because the three of these are the ones who also attend the meetings that I host. So
Perfect.
I'm set up. Oh, but I think Carlo has um background in coding. So yeah.
Perfect. Was busy, have not tried it yet, have installed it though. Okay, perfect. Okay, anyways, let's wait 2 more minutes and then we'll be starting. By the way, today's lecture will be a bit short and like we'll be like covering like 35 minutes max, and that will be like waiting for tomorrow or for Monday for the next lecture. And there's someone else as well who is joining us. Okay, so Vivian is here as well. And yeah, perfect. So I guess you guys can see my screen, right? This was the project we built yesterday. And the notepad, I'll just open the notepad. And this was the things that we did yesterday. Okay, and I'll just make a day 2 box here. Day 2, finalizing the UI and looking into the backend and the DB. Okay, so like this was the simple backend. This was the simple UI we just made. We just used a template for this, and it does look pretty cool. And when I click on login, and when I click on like the demo, sign in and ID password, and when I click on sign in, it does take me to the dashboard page. Okay, and we added a light and dark mode for the multiple users we wanted. Okay, that was something we did yesterday. Now let's go here and we take a look at readme.md. Because I'm using cursor today, I'll ask him to take a look at readme.md to know what we are working on and tell me what's done so far and what's left. This is going to be a simple prompt. It's going to take like take a look at all of this text, and it will be telling me what's left that we haven't done so far and what has been done. Okay, and at the same time I'll go to my Supabase and let's initialize the project and this box. Okay, so I guess I don't know where is my, it was like this. Okay, so I'll add a new project. The project name is Zester, and the password is, I'll just ask like Google to make a password. I'll just copy that and I'll just create a new project. Okay, let us save that as well. I'll just go to project settings and then to API keys. Okay, and let's like add database today. So left in dashboard, we are left with the database and everything. What's left? All Supabase work is left, real authentication is left, and data wiring. is left. Okay, so what I have done so far is like I went to Supabase website, made a new project, and then went to settings. Now let's implement the Supabase. Tell me what to add in the .env, and from where should I get those things. I'm asking for the sake of you guys, so you guys can like just directly ask AI where to get the things that we are supposed to add from Supabase to here in our project. I do know like we have like we can just go to settings and we can just copy this API key and this JW key and this service role key and NN key and all those type of things. But like let's ask it. Okay, so I'll just make a new, like it's saying that I have to make .env.local. I'll just make .env.local and I'll just paste this here. Okay, now it's saying like in left sidebar I have to go to settings and then to project settings and then to API. Okay, so I'll go to API and now I'm supposed to what I'm supposed, like there should be a public Supabase ANN key. Okay, no. Okay, so there should be left side, there should be project URL. Okay, so I have this. Okay, I won't be pasting it there, I'll just keep it with me. And I have this, and I have this NN key, and then I have this service role, and for the database for the URL I guess this will work. And like let's remove most of the parts so that it can tell me. I won't be sharing the like API proper API. I'm just giving give me the format that I'll be pasting in .env dot local. Now it will be just telling me the format and I'll paste the format in .env local, and then I'll just copy all of the variables, like variable means all of the things from here and paste them here. Okay, so I have to paste Supabase ANN key. ANN key was this. Okay, and then service role key. Service role key was this. Okay, and yeah, we are done with this. Done with this. Let's start implementing Supabase. I'm done with this local env locals, and like if you're making a new project, you're supposed to make a new project in Supabase and then you can integrate it in a simple way. It just took me like 6 to 7 minutes to implement Supabase in the project, like to basic initialize it. Anyways, just wait for the AI to start setting up the Supabase in the project, and once it's done with it, we will be going for like the authentication. Like so now we can like sign in as the user and sign in as whatever we want to. And anyway, let's wait for a few minutes. Till then, whoever like Vivian and Joyce and Yuseki and John Carlo. Do remember we have Sunday tomorrow, so you guys will be having a lot of time. You guys are supposed to download Anti-Gravity, and if you have already downloaded that, that's good. But you have to open it. You have to download the Node.js. Find the text I sent you last night, and look into it, and then install the Node.js, and then start to build something. Okay, at least using the AI prompts. Okay, like you can just ask the AI to make something for you and understand how it's making and how it's building and whatever it is building. This is the fundamental step for the internship, and without this, I'm pretty sure you won't be like surviving in the internship, especially in the paid one. Okay, so it would be a lot good for you guys if you're doing it along with me. Like if I'm giving you a lecture today about the front end, so you should be doing it back at the home practice as well. And if I'm giving you the database, it's not that like if I'm working on database and you are working on front end, that would obviously make like more of a mixture. So like we should be working on same things alongside. Okay, so it has given me something. I just prompted it to do everything, and it will be like doing everything. It will be like setting up the tables, the boxes that are actually storing the data we will be using for today's project. Other than this, the schema is actually the tables and the columns and the rows that are actually storing our data, and the login and the sign up page will be implemented as well, so that it will be like working on the Supabase instead of the mock credentials. The mock credentials were actually the demo credentials we were using beforehand because we weren't having Supabase initialized. So as of now, it's working on the login and sign up page for the first. Okay, so it says that sign up, and this is like firstly, and email will be this, and the password will be verbal one double two double three double four, and the confirm password. Let's see. Okay, then I'll see. Okay, so like authentication is working now. I'll show you authentication here. I just logged in using a proper email, and I just keep loading. Let me refresh it. And then let's see what it has done so far. Okay, so it's showing me like first is subject 06 at gmail.com, the one I just used. and it's showing me the date and the sign in and the provider type. It is not showing that no phone required because I didn't add that. And make the files yourself. Age request.
It's Jack.
Okay, so we are done with this. I'll just copy this and I'll just run it on my database. This is my SQL editor here. You can just ask AI what the SQL editor for that as well. This is a new error actually. Okay, the first one that run. Let's go for the second one. The second one that run as well. Let's go for the third one. The third one that run as well. Done. What's next? Okay, I'll just add a commit. Git add git commit slash m changes for the auth and Supabase migrations, RLS, and simple integrations. Then create push origin main, and it will be pushing the code. And let's go for the next. Okay, we'll run this as well. Now it says first is of the 06, and that is actually the month, the email I used. Okay, so someone tell me what we have done so far, right now, today. Joyce, Vivian, Yuseki, John, you guys are here. This year you as well. You guys are getting what we have done so far. And if yes, like if you're not supposed to use your mic, you can just use the text as well, the chat as well. But yeah, let me know what we have done
Yes,
so
I'm
far.
getting.
And what about you, Joyce? And what about you, John?
I'm fine so far.
Perfect. Okay, so I'll just add stuff. We have made a new database project in Supabase, connected it to the website. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, so that's actually making some more things, and I'll just like remove this error. I'll just fix this error once we are done with this prompt. Till then, I'll just copy it. Okay, and I'll just paste it here, and I'll just say fix this error as well, and I'll just wait for a chat to be completed. By the way, today's lecture will be a bit short. If you're comparing it with the previous one, we'll just like going for 30-35 minutes, and that's it. And we'll be giving like more short lectures for each day. But yeah, for Sunday, you guys have to make sure that you are done with anti-gravity, simple basic anti-gravity downloading and all simple type of things that we did on the first day, and simple visual dev usage, and simple anti-gravity prompt usage, running an app, and all these type of things. Okay, makes sense.
Are you still using anti-gravity or is that a different app?
It is not anti-gravity. I'm actually
He's
using
using cursor.
Cursor AI today. My anti-gravity just got ended today. So I have to wait until I get the new membership or my prompts get reset. So it's somewhat similar to anti-gravity. Like you have to use it exactly the same way as
Yeah.
the anti-gravity. Like all of the IDs are almost same nowadays. It's like there's a difference between some accuracy and something like this.
The models.
Okay. Thank you.
Then someone was asking if this uses Claude LLM as well.
Yeah, it does use
Is-
Claude LLM as well. Like we have an option for auto, and then we have an option for composer. That's actually the cursor one. GPT, then
Mhm.
Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus 4.5, and then GPT, then GPT 5, and then we can add models as well. It has like multiple models. It
Oh,
has like you can
okay.
just click on this, and it like more than 50 models. Okay, and
Mhm.
Gemini, Sonnet, Kimi, and Grok, Haiku, whatever, like, and then you can add your own personal API key as well. Okay, and then you can make your own model as well in this. But Auto one is the cheapest one, so I go for that because the subscription is a lot expensive for this. Number
Yeah.
one, and then number two, like if you're going for some premium model, it ends a lot like fast. So I just go for the Auto one. Auto one is the cheapest one among all, so that's the best option for me.
Does auto depend on the complexity of the code? Does it
uh,
adjust
like
the
it
LLM that's used?
not actually the complexity of code. It's like whatever the model is available on that moment,
Oh, okay.
it goes for that.
Okay.
Whatever like it goes for the one that is available, and that will be like cheap cost if you're comparing it with
Yeah.
the others one.
Okay.
So okay, let me see.
There was also another question, Zen.
Yeah,
Is it safe to use multiple emails to get unlimited resets on prompts?
yeah, it is safe.
Okay.
It doesn't like affect that much. I actually personally use this thing as well. So like I have like
Mhm.
2 to 3 mails. But yeah, like to be honest, like I have like the paid accounts on just one of the email, and for the rest I use the free version quotas. But the free version quotas, like if you're using it like for a day, it will be like ending up within an hour. That's it. So like there are sometimes like I just use, instead of like making more mails, more Gmails, I just use Cursor. I use VS Code. It has GitHub Copilot. I have a paid account for that as well. And then I have anti-gravity. I have paid subscription for anti-gravity as well. I have a paid subscription for Cursor AI as well. And for the codex, it is free nowadays, so I use that as well. Okay, so it has fixed. Now I can see myself, and in the settings, I can see. Okay, in the setting page still, the what's left now. Also, setting page is still hard coded, not showing my real details. Okay, and there are no videos. Suppose I'll add a video title lecture 1, introduction to vibe coding. I'll just paste this here and I'll just go to YouTube, and I'll just go for the manage videos. Okay, so this was the video. I'll just copy the link. I'll just paste the link here, and I'll just like do things this here. Okay, let's publish. Okay, so it's giving me this error. I'll just copy this error. This error when I'm making adding a new video. Let's see how it gets fixed. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it in my Supabase to fix the error I was getting. Okay, and I guess that will be fine now. Okay, so it's actually showing this, and when I click on it and when I click on watch, it will be showing me. Okay, and I can like watch the lecture here. And for the thumbnail, use the same as used by the YouTube video. Okay, and the settings page, I guess setting page has some error. We'll fix this. Okay, but for the overview, we have added in video. Okay, and suppose if I'm clicking on the video and I'm marking it as complete. Okay, and let me see if the overview is like uploading this thing. And then in my projects, suppose I'm going to add a project name is Zenter. Okay, it's a attorney management app for math checks internship. Okay, the GitHub link, I'll just add a GitHub link there. Okay, this is the GitHub link. I just don't have to repeat new one again. Live demo, this is the live demo as well. Okay, and the thumbnail, we don't have to add a thumbnail. We'll just save the project, and the project is saved. Okay, so I can see the project here. And other than this, if I'm logging out and if I'm going to home, if I'm clicking on the showcase thing, I guess okay, so I can see my project here as well. Okay, and in the videos, I don't know if I have. Okay, so we don't have a videos page for now, but yeah, we do have the showcase page for now, and I can see this season. And when I'm clicking on the view code, it is taking me to the GitHub repository, and when I'm clicking on the live demo, it's taking me to the YouTube video that was meant to be for this demo for the project. Okay, so it's working fine. Let's log in back. The login was this email and this password. Okay, so continue learning. It's showing me the lecture I actually opened, and I've done the my videos one. I have done the my projects one. I have now. Let's see if I can apply for internee. I can click on start application, and I have the desired role. And why do I want to join this? The portfolio link. You can add your LinkedIn here. You can add your website here. Like suppose I want to go for full stack development. I want to learn coding as I love it, as I love it. For the portfolio link, I'll just paste my personal website. Okay, and I'll paste it here. And for the resume, I'll just add the same my like GitHub link. It will work for my like my resume. and then I click on submit application. The application has been submitted, and then in the settings, let's fix this error for now. Okay, so my full name is Fuzzy, and for the profile picture, I can upload a picture, and I can add a short bio. I can add the social links. Okay, so I'll add Fuzzy06. I'll add my LinkedIn. By the way, if any of you guys LinkedIn, you guys can connect with me as well. I'm properly active on LinkedIn as well. So this is my LinkedIn. Okay, and I'll just paste it here as well. And this is like my I love building cool tech stuff. And let's see if it gets saved or not. It says it's getting saved. And let's see, let's get back. Okay, no, it's not actually saving. The things on setting page should be getting saved as well. And for the profile, we can upload URL photo as well, because I don't want to make it a bit difficult, because for like storage we have to like make a bucket, and that's not that much difficult, but I don't want to create bucket for now. I just want to keep things simple, because we have just 4 or 5 minutes left for today's lecture. So yeah, let's keep things simple, and we have implemented almost 90 to 95% of database. That was the Supabase. So now we can do authentication. Number one, we can make our own profile, we can add videos, we can like add our own projects, and we can upload our profile, and we can see each other's projects, and for now we have to like add the admin access and the internee access. We can apply for the internship as well. The admin will get the internship form, and can review the internship and can approve or not. It's totally on him as well. So we have done all of these things so far, and it's like just 2 days till now, and we are like almost done like by 60 to 65% of the whole SaaS project, and we'll be completing it the project like within the next week, and then we'll be like making some new and more like projects for this as well. Anyway, let's finish this prompt, and then let's like finalize what we have learned today, and we'll be like finishing the lecture. I'll be uploading this on YouTube as well, so those who are not available, you guys can see that there as well. And those who were even available, if you guys want to like see what I was doing again as well, you guys can take a look on YouTube as well. So let's wait like for 1 to 2 minutes so that it has done this. Okay, so it has added this, and let me ask what has been. I just made a comment, git command slash m juniors for the Supabase settings page and other pages. Okay, so left like forward password thing, leave this. Add video. That can be like admin attorney role only. Okay, launching nav links. Okay, email confirmation, that's done. Delete account and reply. Like 80% of things are done. Okay, and yeah, I guess let's finalize what we have done today, and then we'll be like closing this class, and we'll be going for the next class. And like suppose my GitHub profile is this. I'll just open image in the new tab. Okay, no, profile pic alien. Suppose I want to add this, I just open image in new tab. Not this. Not this is a JPG. None of the picture is JPG here, to be honest. Let's find some image. This is JPG. I'll just copy this and I'll paste the link here. Okay, who's present? Himanshu is here. Okay, let's add it. And then email is there, and the social links may I'll add the things again. I didn't save the last time. GitHub, and then LinkedIn. Okay, so I'll add this as well, and I'll just save the changes. Now the changes have been saved. Okay, so if I'm going towards like the setting page, I can see all these type of things. The image is saved as well, and the name, the short bio, and everything is saved. I can change the password for my project. I can upload notification. The notification logic hasn't been made for now. I can change it to dark mode as well. And yeah, that has been like the its status is pending for now. And for the internship one, and that is what we are done with today's lecture. So let's finalize what we are done today. I went to Supabase website, made a new project, then went to settings. I copied the stuff I needed and pasted in my project. Used asked AI on what things we need and followed the same steps. And other than this, what things we done? I prompted AI to add authentication, to add Supabase logics, to add Supabase migration. Supabase tables seems a better word, and it did everything. I kept testing stuff alongside so that if there's any error, I might be able to fix it alongside. And I added data and tables like projects, videos, settings, etc. So that was what we did today in today's lecture. We have like one, two, three, four, five. We have six members here. If you guys have any questions for today's lectures, you are like you can ask, and I'll be uploading the lecture on YouTube. So we'll be like keeping it alongside. But yeah, if you guys have any questions related to two questions, if there are any queries, you guys can ask. I'm here for 2 to 3 more minutes, and then we'll be closing this meeting. John, Yuseki, Joyce, Jaquis,
I don't have any questions at the moment.
Perfect. And what about you, Joyce?
It's fine.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yuseki has said all good on my end as well, and John has already said thanks. So I guess John is fine as well. So yeah, Russell has been like done as well as the password security and cookies done. Password security is something that like that is automatically done by the like supervisor. Like I'll show you the thing. When in authentication, it doesn't show password. It actually uses the hashing things, and the password is stored in hash format. Okay, so you don't have to like manually add anything. Supabase does that automatically. Number one. And number two, cookies. Cookies, like we don't have to like focus on the cookies thing for now, because we are not like getting someone to accept the cookies and all these type of things. But like, we will just like give it a prompt, and it will be like automatically prompting the user for to accept the cookies things, and that won't be like difficult. That would be like maximum just a single prompt. So yeah, that's it. If there's any other question, just ask me. Else we'll be closing today's lecture. It's already been like 50 minutes so far. Okay, anyways, I guess that's it for today's lecture. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask me in the DM or in the group. And thank you for joining. And I mean, yeah, that's it. Bye bye.
Will you share the record of this
Yeah,
class again?
I'll just upload the video and share the link as well. And for the text, I'll share
Thank
you the
you.
text as well within the next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, thank you very much, Russell. Thank you for joining us as well. Thank you for your support. And thank you, everyone else, for getting the lecture. Bye.